What's it happen? Why you cover your nose and they go for farm?
At the cost of time, we say make we cover because of coronavirus.
Coronavirus. What is the coronavirus?
I don't know. It's not corona.
What is it?
I don't know. We say they kill people. Not the kill you.
But now, which country you come from, sir?
No, just.
Of record country.
I hear me.
I never heard that before, oh mama. But this of record country, so you don't hear say corona don't kill people for that place.
But we don't.
Mama, but the one cup of rice and this one I hear say they give you now.
The shadow now only walk up my list.
Only one cup of rice and one cup of beans.
No, they're not giving beans.
They're not giving beans.
No, only walk up of rice.
How you start to manage that with your plenty children? I hear say now 15 children you get.
Jesus!
You didn't make sure. That's my secret. No,
Will you keep quiet?
Mama, though, well done. The Lord is your strength, eh? Now we're recover up. Yeah? Go help you.